This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Cheri Ivarsson. Light and spacious. Perfectly located in Peridea Isle overlooking a beautiful lake. This maintenance-free home offers convenience and versatility. Open floor plan features 2 bedrooms plus a den and a huge lanai that can be used year-round. Lovingly maintained by the original owner, this home is immaculate. Interior laundry room, eat-in kitchen, screened front entry, double garage, breakfast bar and more. Lots of natural light floods the space. Quality construction by Neil with soaring ceilings and a thoughtful floor plan that flows easily. Enjoy the water view over coffee and then head to the clubhouse for lunch and a round of golf or tennis, or sip a beverage at the poolside tiki bar. Peridea is loaded with amenities and is ideally located within a short drive to pristine beaches and the vibrant downtowns of Bradenton, Sarasota and Lakewood Ranch. HVAC replaced in 2019. 4-point inspection passed with flying colors and is available. The den has a closet and can easily be converted back to a 3rd bedroom, which was how the home was originally designed. Peridea Golf and Country Club membership is required and the fee sheet is attached. Furnishings included. Nothing to do but move in and enjoy the carefree lifestyle you've been dreaming about. No age restrictions. Fabulous find and fantastic price. Hurry! For more information, review the details below.